unastahili ni mahali nilifika. I surrendered to him.
Yes.
And I told him, I've prayed, I've begged, I've told you to heal me. Let me worship you.
Wow.
Because now I've tried everything, it's not working. Wacha tu nikushukuru. And I told him, unastahili sifa za Mungu.
The opposite of what you were feeling.
Because I was in pain, it's not working, I've done everything. Nikiangalia graph yangu, hakuna mahali nimeenda astray.
Yeah.
Then I told him, hey daddy, you worthy of my praise. Let me just worship you. And so when I was worshiping, hapo ndio sasa songs zikaanza kuflow. And I found myself, nilikuwa na recordia songs kwa barabara, nachukua phone. Nasikia tu song and I record.